Okay, makeup transformation. Transform na. Aray ko, reverse pala to. Reverse makeup transformation. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Ang lala.
Boom, panot! Do they think okay, louder, come on, don't stop, and keep it going, do it,
Okay.
let's get it on, move it, come on, baby, do it.
Okay. Whoa. Oh my. Okay, from papa to opa. Malala. Okay, galing ah.
Eh di wow!
Okay, filter plus makeup. Kita nyo? Yung ilong niya. Nilagyan niya ng mga ano ba tatawag sa mga makeup na yun? Yung pang eyeshadow ata. Yun, di ko alam, di ko naman kabisado ang makeup pero nakita nyo. Yung ilong niya, nagkaroon ng korte. And of course, yan, nag-iba yung mukha niya, di ba? From brown to white eh. Naging opa.
Aray mo, tukap.
Oh! Okay, binatak yung mukha. Tape ba yung ginamit doon? Okay. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ang galing ah. Okay, yan. Yung mga nagtatanong, yan. Asan daw yung male makeup transformation? Oh, ayan na. Diba? Yan. May nakita pa ako sa comment section from mamaw to opaw. Ayan na. Nice!
Aray mo, tukap.
Okay, 2 girls, 1 boy. Wow. Oh my God. Hindi mo na masabi yung difference, di ba? Pare-parehas na silang mukhang babae. Ay, hindi. Babae pala yung dalawa. Nagmukhang babae yung yung pangatlo yung lalaki. Di ba? You cannot tell the difference. Oh, and gosh. Yeah, oh my gosh talaga. Galing, 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 galing. One of the girls na siya.
Aray mo, tukap.
What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Ayan male transformation na yan Naghahanap kayo. So, ayan. Okay, first shoutout po tayo kay Eileen Diabo Vlog. Hey, what's up? Okay, next shoutout naman po tayo kay Nora Moso from Casablanca, Morocco. Oh, wow. Okay, what's up sa mga taga Morocco and of course Miss Nora. Hello po. Next naman po kay Kyle Yaser. Yan, what's up? And Rina Roderos. Yan, shoutout sa inyong dalawa. Next shoutout po kay Danica Manilin Kurugan. Hey, what's up? Yan, okay naman ang mabuhay-buhay po natin. Next shoutout po kay J. Chris Karuska. Yay, what's up? Next shoutout po kay Ace Skyrus Ogatis from San Miguel, Surigao del Sur. Hey, what's up? And that's it guys, yun ang last shoutout natin for tonight. Yan, I hope nag-enjoy tayo dun sa mga transformation, makeup transformation, pero male version po tayo. Okay? Yan. Thank you very much. That's it. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Yan, dito sa mga nakakatuwa, nakakawala ng stress na mga video. Peace and one love guys.